Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane, this is my jam, and this is the last unboxing of my recent vacation purchases.
Thank goodness.
We went on vacation and ended up doing a quick jaunt to Charlotte, North Carolina. Went to their South Park Mall there, and I got some really awesome stuff from Coach. And I also stopped in at Saks, and they had a Chanel boutique in there. And so I picked up a couple things from Chanel. So I'm kind of excited about this because now I haven't seen these in a couple weeks. So it's almost like a brand new unboxing because it is to me. So I got this Chanel paper here. This is all nice. Oh, this is so nice because I'm going to pull this out. If you look in the bag here, here's my two nice boxes, all pretty. So let's see, which one should I start with? I'll start with this one. Looks like the Camilla fell off this one. It's right here.
Camilla, chameleon.
There. So, it comes so nicely packaged. So, take that off of there now.
The thing that you just put back on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pull off my Chanel paper.
Gotta get the full experience.
I know. It's like getting it brand new. And does anybody else like that sound?
No.
Thanks.
I did a quick poll of all the viewers and they all said
They
no.
said no. I'm gonna open this up here. And if you've gotten things from Chanel before, you might be able to tell right away, at least have an idea what this is. And this is the care instructions and the little card that tells what it is, but I'm not going to let you see that yet because I'm just going to show you what it is. I have wanted this for so long, and I've tried to get one and tried to get one and tried to get one, and then I got there and I said, this is what I'm looking for. You probably don't have it. And she's like, yes, I have it, but we only have it with the silver hardware. And I am like, that is what I'm looking for. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I finally got it. I got the black caviar O-pouch with the silver hardware. I wanted this so much. Here's the back, here's the front. It's got the like burgundy Chanel color there. The interior also has the burgundy, and this is just an open case. There's no pockets, nothing like that in there. It's just a simple O case, but I have wanted this for such a long time, and it's always sold out. Or like you go to Fashion File and they want way more than retail is for a used one. And so I was so happy to get this at the Chanel boutique. And O-pouches generally come in a pouch like this. They don't come in a like a flip open dust bag. They come in a little pouch like this that has a pull
So the O-pouch goes in a pouch?
It does, yep.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So it's like the baby kangaroo.
Mm-hmm. And then I have such a thing for SLGs. Yeah, I know you'd never guess. And so I saw this.
No, we wouldn't.
And I couldn't leave without it. It was so stupid. I'm like, I'm not going to get anything. If I get anything, I would just get the O-pouch if they have it. Otherwise, I'm not getting nothing from here. She asked if I want to look at bags. I said no. Do I want to look at jewelry? No. How about our watches? No. Earrings? Isn't that part of jewelry? I already said no. But I did say I wouldn't mind taking a look at whatever other SLG she had available. And I was very proud of myself. There were two that I wanted, but I narrowed it down to one, and I only picked up the one, besides the O-pouch.
I was going to say, besides the O-pouch.
So I open this box up. now we can see the care booklet that this one is different. This comes how the other SLGs come, with the flip open pouch. And I got bum ba bum bum. It is like the Tiffany blue little wallet here. It's the zip wallet, nice and smooth. I suppose I can leave it open if I'm going to show you inside.
Show us, yeah.
So here's the inside. It just has the card slots here. This has, though, like gunmetal hardware. So it's not silver. It is like a dark gunmetal. I got to take the stickers off of here yet, which I haven't done because I just opened it for the first time now. Okay, I'll take those off later. And it's got the little back pocket here. But I have... easy for me to show. This from a few seasons ago. And I thought they would look very nice together. And then I, as you recently saw, unboxed this. So I thought these would all go so pretty together. So this one's a little bit, this one I like too, because this is in like the lambskin, and so is this. So this isn't the caviar leather, it's just the lambskin. And yeah, it's just this little square wallet. So I got it. It had to come home with me. I'm just a sucker for, well, anything that looks Tiffany blue. Okay, I did have to take that off, and I did. But anything that looks Tiffany blue and anything that has like a little bit different than normal. And this hardware is different than most other hardware I see. So I got that little cutie too for my collection. Put it right back here in its little dust bag for right now. And you might wonder what I do with my dust bags, or how do I keep track, because I have my SLGs sitting in these boxes. And what I actually do is every SLG or every bag gets a little card put inside of it, so I know which wallet or which item went in which little bag here. Because I figure if I ever sell them or get rid of them, then I'm not putting the wrong SLG in the wrong bag from the wrong season, because these things change as well. Not a lot, but they do.
So seasons change?
They do. So that's what I have for you. That's my part, the pieces that I got from Chanel. I'm so excited to get the black gold pouch. We all know I wanted that because I probably mentioned it on a number of videos. And I wanted it because I have the black Chanel double flap, and even you could even stick that in here, the black little wallet on chain. So that's what I have for you today. Hope you like my short little video. If you have any questions, or if you just would, leave comments in the comments section down below. I really appreciate that. Helps me get to know you a little bit better, and I really like that. I love interacting with everybody. I do answer all of my comments. And if you haven't already found me over on Instagram, I'm on there as well. It's at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. You can find me over here on YouTube, generally twice a week. It's on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I will be having a vlog sale come up relatively soon. I wanted to do it this weekend, but I'm not sure. So in the next, I would say within the next week, it'll just be a small sale, but there'll be some goodies in there. So I hope you decide to come and take a look. And
is that the one you're selling me at?
I wasn't going to say anything right now,
Sorry.
but okay. No. And so yeah, you can watch for that. That'll be on a different day besides the Wednesday or the Saturday video. Let's see, what else was I going to say? If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I am less than 200 away from 2,000 subscribers. It just blows my mind. I'm just so excited by that. To think that many people subscribed is just, it's incredible. I cannot tell you enough, because I do tell you a lot, how much this channel means to me, and the interactions that I've had with people and the friendships that I've taken part in have just meant the absolute world to me. And I love it. I love this little community we have here, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. So I guess I would say then, until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Was it windy out today?
Stop.